Hey guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine. And I am here with my another video, and my this topic is very interesting topic with like foot massage that give you a very relaxed kind of feel, and you feel very relaxed, very uh, watch this video till the end, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. And this topic is very new for new video and new topic of the video. And a foot massage is a therapeutic treatment that involves manipulating the muscles, tendons, and ligaments of the feet to promote relaxation, relieve pain, and improve overall well-being. By applying gentle pressure and strokes, a skilled massage therapist can target specific areas of tension such as arcs, heels, and toes to release knot and knits. This can help you reduce stress, anxiety, and improve circulation, and even alleviate symptoms of condition like plantar fasciitis. As a massage work out the tension, it can also increase flexibility and range of your motion, making it easier to move and perform daily activities. Foot regular massage can lead to better sleep, reduced muscle soreness, and an overall sense of calm and relaxation. Whether done professionally or through self massage techniques, incorporating foot massage into one's self care routine can be a profound impact on both physical and mental health. And if you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So today's video is about to end. Bye bye and take care. See you in the next YouTube video.